is what we got right now. All right, want to know today, extremely like super de-risk trade. Let me explain what happened. So obviously, first of all, everything was obviously live traded with the premium students, and I'm just gonna show you that everything was sent out here, so you're not gonna say anything, bro. But this is just, just to show you. And extremely de-risk trade. Today is gonna be FOMC news, so also because of that, and also the beginning of the session looked extremely dull. Like, look at this shit, looks extremely dull. Then we started to see some price action moving up, and then I entered. But the thing here is, we had massive amounts of liquidity around here. Tapped into it, mini partial, right? Mini partial, and then this shit. What I did, mini partial, stop to break even, remove the risk fully, and this shit just wicked my break even. So obviously 200 bucks. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna take it, whatever, bro. But it went straight into the TPs, full TPs. But 200 bucks. I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna complain about it today. Like nowadays, past 1.5 weeks, I've been kind of cautious about these markets. Have been taking that many trades because of it's been moving sideways, and it makes sense because of all of the conflicts in the world, etc. And just waiting. But overall solid trade. I'm gonna take it. So man, you saw it right there. 1-0, only one trade taken today, which was a winner. I'm gonna take that. 1-0. I'm not gonna complain. 200 bucks. But you have to understand, if you're new in my channel, 200 bucks is like a really lower end of my trades, and the reason was simple. That was a partial lower risk trade. Like I literally said in the Discord for everybody, that I'm going to personally de-risk. I always say, how much am I going to risk? For the simple fact that the other members also realize, okay, I'm going to risk this much. So they will make the same amount of money. So in their accounts, because it's the consistency, man. But obviously, some of them actually didn't have a break-even area, which it means, they just made all the money in the trade, which normally would have been a lot more. Obviously, I would have made a lot more money, but that was just TP1 break-even. That's just 200 bucks. But I'm gonna take that. I'm not gonna complain. Which is super up. Also in this month up. So it's freaking 90th. How do I say that word? 90th of October. Don't worry, man. My main language isn't English, but I'm developing. Okay, but I'm gonna take that. But so far we've been just fucking killing it in these markets. However, these past 1.5 weeks, I've been really cautious about these markets because I literally showed, if you haven't noticed, markets has been kind of fucked up, like weird ass price action moving sideways. And I explained perfectly in the stream to my students that why shouldn't we trade? Because it's like a form of a trend, and trends tend to continue. I think something happens, and so that's what's up. I want to see, today we have FOMC news. Hopefully that will refresh the markets a little bit, see some movement tuning in. But overall, I'm gonna take that trade. Most definitely. So yeah, man, 1-0. And I know you may wonder, like, what the fuck am I wearing, bro? This guy looks like he just came from the bed. Well, technically I did. This is the beauty about trading that I love. I can just work on other stuff. Obviously I woke up at around 7 a.m. and trading is the beauty, because I only trade like maximum of 1.5 hours of my day, and I'm having a good time with my students and the members who are also watching me live trade. By the way, if you want to also trade live with me every single day, and it should be the first link in the description if you want. Okay, there's I'm mentoring also in the same package, and live trading every single day. Make sure my students are making money and learning at the same time. But obviously, I'm not going to promote it that much. It's just for the people who are serious. But if you also want to join for free, it should be the first link. Get the free course, etc. I'm going to hit the gym really soon. I'm going to hit some legs. Not legs. I'm going to hit... Yeah, man, I'm going to hit push day. Perfect, man. Perfect. By the way, I don't know if you can hear that shit, but it's like fucking storm outside. And I have my window open. I don't know why. But, that's what's up. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit the gym. But before I go to the gym, I know you may wonder, if you're new here, who am I? Well, I'm a day trader, obviously. I'm a day trader. I've been day trading for 3.5 years. And I've been consistently profitably trading for 1.5 years. However, I'm always here to bring the reality and the truth. I was losing for 2 years. Obviously, I could have become profitable way faster if I would have gotten the right knowledge. But, I had to go through that ups and downs, and now I'm here, being profitably, consistently making money in these markets for 1.5 years, like I told you. And my duty in this YouTube space is to bring the reality now, because there's too many gurus, and I'm destined to do a fucking change. I'm building the biggest,
most profitable empire of traders in my free Discord that you can join. But yeah, regardless, hope you're enjoying these because these are like super like, man, if you're serious about your goals, man, this will take you far, man. But yeah, needless to say, I look like I need to hit the gym. I'ma eat a little bit food, then I'ma hit the gym. Okay, I'ma do a fucking push day, and I'm gonna take my camera with me. However, I don't think I'm gonna record that much in the gym, but I'm gonna record regardless something, at least, something, so something. But man, push day, I'm fucking hyped, bro. It's fucking storm outside, but my gym is like super nearby. I can literally just walk there like this, like super nearby. So I gotta get my fucking driver's license. I'm not sure can I get it yet, and once I get it, I'm gonna buy a car. However, right now I'm not sure can I get the driver's license. Like, I'm 17. I gotta figure that shit out. Okay, but you know what? I'm at the gym now. Fucking storm. This kind of reminds me of the one day when I came from the gym. Overall, man, today overall a really great day. Even though only 200 made, but win is a win, 1W, 1-0 today. I'm gonna go with that, but I'm fucking wet. I don't know if you can pause. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is fun. Shit, man. Gotta see the positive, man. Alright, man. So I made it home, as you see. I ain't gonna lie, it's getting kind of late already, but you know what? I ain't gonna lie, I like this day, and I know you may wonder, like, you're a day trader. You literally day trade for 1.5 hours. What else do you do? Well, I gotta be honest, bro. At this rate, at this point, I'm kind of just fucking grinding. I know that may sound kind of lame, but this is what I'm doing right now, okay? Delayed gratification, and I gotta be totally honest, man. I enjoy working hard. I enjoy. So, who's gonna compete with me? If they want to, they can. But I want you to compete with me because that's how you actually can get better. And what do I mean? I literally just want you to compete with me, and I'm trying to give you the value, the motivation, innovation, education, so you can actually succeed, become profitable trader as well. Being a profitable day trader is really chill, bro. I'm not going to lie, bro. I'm not going to lie, because it's not stressful anymore. It's not stressful. Literally 1 hour on average I trade of my fucking day. Obviously I have a lot of fucking free time, so that's why I'm recording these videos, man. And also so I can educate, innovate, motivate. And I do teach it, but if you want to get access for free to the course, then the link should be in the description. The free Discord has the free course, etc. But regardless, I go like I told you, pretty damn calm day, and I'm just chilling. I just ate a lot of protein, took some creatine, ate a lot of food, with protein like chicken, and I go pretty damn calm day. I may just, after this, I may just finish this video, about to edit it, and I'm not going to lie, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, but educational videos, not trading videos, because I don't need to learn about day trading anymore. I have a strategy, I have a freaking blueprint already that I'm following, and at this rate, I know it from my pockets, man. But the blueprint, I know it like my pockets. I don't gotta just think twice to remember it. It is so easy because I basically created it as well, like everything in it, like risk management. What do I do? What do I do this? What do I do that? I think many traders lose a lot because they think that in trading they need to just be extremely robot. Like, you need to be robotic with your emotions, but you have to with your strategy. It's like boxing, For those who don't know, I used to do boxing for for some time, not that long, but some time. And it's like when you go into a fight, bro, it's not the way you think. You're not thinking about the what moves are you gonna do. No, you're in the moment, and you do not know is that person gonna punch you with left hook, right jab, like cross or whatever, left jab, cross. You don't know that. You just gotta be prepared and just practice. And when you get into the markets, you just have to. You literally just have to see what the markets offer you. You know, if you just think, okay, I'm gonna see these confluences, but what if the price action looks shit? Like today in the beginning, but then it started to move smoothly, and I took that trade with low risk. That's why I made like $200, and it was a partial. But alright, went to the TPs. Everybody in the Discord got paid, my members, so I'm happy, and I got paid too. But yeah, man, that's what's up. Trading is like, it's like also like basketball, you know. You cannot just go there like a robot with your strategy. You have to just be present, be in the moment, and see what they offer you, see what the markets offer you, and execute. Okay, simple as that. And if it looks shit, then you can call it a day or wait for it to give us some more opportunities. Me personally, I have a rule: I will trade maximum of 1.5 hours of my day. That's how it goes. If it doesn't give me any setups, I'm out, bro. Win, like, that's also a win. It's a fucking job, you know? It's a job that pays a lot, but it's a job that doesn't take my time a lot, but it pays a lot. That's the beauty of it, okay? Now, what the fuck would you want to do something else than this? Like, honestly, you can. If you want to pay a doctor, fine. But if you master this, bro, if you master this skill of trading, I promise you, bro, you are literally unbeatable. Nobody can take you anywhere. Nobody can control you. You don't have a boss in trading. You don't have these fucking rules. I mean, you have your own rules, but nobody's gonna, you know, tell you that, oh, I'm only gonna pay you this because you did this. You are your own boss, you know. You choose how much you want to get paid, basically. So that's what's up. But yeah, chill day. Right now it's fucking storm outside, but I'm not going to complain at all, you know, because I heard some shit that Florida is about to get a crazy freaking like a hurricane. Stay safe out there, guys. You know, I literally saw a fucking video where a weatherman is crying because he saw that news. Like, he was like, oh. I mean, I'm not joking. I'm not making fun of him. No. But it's like, I mean, if the weatherman cries, bro, you gotta be serious about it, okay? If the weatherman fucking cries because of a weather, and he's a weatherman, man, you gotta be like, you gotta be ready, bro. You gotta be ready for the fucking storm. But, you know, I'm not from Florida. I'm not from United States as well. But, you know, I had a mini storm in here. Mini storm, not much. I just went to the gym because it's like, literally my gym is like, I just walk there. It's so close to my house. And that's the beauty of it, okay? I took a sauna, hot ass sauna, bro. It's worth it if you can get access to saunas, bro, in your gym. But obviously, it's usually in the a little bit high-end gyms. But if not, then just take cold showers, okay? Just something. But yeah, man, hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, comment down below. Value. That's the way I know you made it this far. I'm literally proud of you. And also comment down what you think about this video. Should I continue with these kind of videos? I will. I will. But yeah. Hey, man. As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.